This video, I'm going to show you another way to use epoxy. I started to just weld a patch over this hole, but I'm going to show you a way to do it from the inside that works just as well. Probably looks a little better. What you're going to need is a milk jug, which I've already cut a lot of pieces out of this one for different repairs. I cut this piece out. Then you're going to take the piece, you're going to drill a little hole in the middle of it, which I've already done, and then you're going to put a piece of string through it, tie a couple of knots in it to where it won't pull back through that hole, and cut off any excess. Then you're going to take that, you're going to push it inside the hole, and then you're going to wiggle it around till you get it covering the hole that you're trying to patch. And you kind of get it in place. You take your epoxy, whatever kind you prefer. I use E6000, but that's just me. And you're going to just put a blob on there. Try and get around the edges because that's the first part you want to hold. All you're going to do in the first step is just get the patch on there. Not sure where my little piece that I was using to spread it went. Here it is. So pull it up. You can see the epoxy is around the edge. Try and get it up under the piece of the blow mold so that it's gluing the patch on there. You get it so that you get a good seal. I actually learned this trick from another video, but they were using it on a much smaller hole. Once you've got enough of it covering the edge, you're gonna, if you have something you can use, which I've got screws into the building right here that I'm going to use for right now. Just going to kind of hold it tight, go up over the screw, tie it off to that screw. You don't have to have a whole lot of pressure on it. You just want enough to where it will hold the patch up against the inside of the hole. And then you're going to let that cure 24 to 48 hours. And then you can cut the string off, and you can take something pointed and push the little knot that's on the string off of there, and then just epoxy over that hole. It's really simple. Once that cures, you can go back and put more layers of epoxy in there and smooth them out to where it's smooth all the way around, as smooth as you can get it, and it'll be done. It's really simple, it's cheap, and it has a good result. So that's all for this step. When I get ready to do the rest, I'll make another video and link it to this one. So If you like the video, click the like button down there. If you have any comments, suggestions, if you want to subscribe, click the subscribe button and you'll get notified when I post a update on this. Thanks for watching.